Coming up on Inimba this week, Kawe collapsed at Mawethu's place just because instead of going to graduation celebration at Tumega and be with the whole family, she decided to go to Mawethu's place and entertain boys. Now the whole family is enjoying. Now they must entertain. Go to Kawe has collapsed, landing Umawethu into hot water. Now Uhlat is fighting Umawethu. And because what was Kawe doing at Mawethu's place? Because the whole family knows Kalokuti, they've broken up. But now, the shocking part is that the doctor is now asking for medical records as a family. I'm sure there's a storyline here. Probably Uqawe is not Hlati's baby. I'd be so happy. And then Onga is fighting my way to now. But how come you're with Kawe, like acting as if it was wrong for Umawe to be with Kawe? Only because Udliwa Isazela. Remind you, Kawe was with Onga at 3 shots for lunch, and then he rejected her kiss. And now Kawe went there just because she rejected her kiss, so that's why she felt neglected and went to Mawetu. Now he can't stomach the guilt and wants to blame Umawetu. And then it seems to be broke Hlati's heart because he thanked Mr. Lazarus and went on about him being a father figure that he didn't know he needed. Pela no Lazarus, they've been growing the relationship now, but that doesn't sit well no Hlati. But told Hlati, if you were the father that I needed, I wouldn't be going to Lazarus. And that didn't rub Hlati well. Like because what's this betrayal? It's clear that relationship will never like really be mended, because what is this? And now Sydney is resorted to using Ulinda to carry out his plans of sabotaging Ikusela and Lazarus. And I was like, I hope Ulinda does not agree, because what the heck? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for updates this week. Bye.